Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. This lab guide is on how to configure external collaboration settings in Microsoft Entra ID using Microsoft Entra Admin Center. External collaboration settings let you specify what roles in your organization can invite external users for B2B collaboration. These settings also include options for allowing or blocking specific domains and options for restricting what external guest users can see in your Microsoft Entra ID directory. You must have Global Administrator role to configure external collaboration settings in Microsoft Entra ID. Click on Go to Microsoft Entra ID. Click on Users and select Users Settings. Click on Manage External Collaboration Settings. In last lab guide, you have learned about guest user access. Under Guest Invite Settings, choose the appropriate settings to specify who can invite guests. By default, all users in your organization, including guest users, can invite external users to B2B collaboration. If you want to limit the ability to send invitations, you can turn invitations on or off for everyone or limit invitation to certain roles. To allow only those users with administrator roles to invite guest users, select Only users assigned to specific admin roles can invite guest users radio button. The administrator roles include Global Administrator, User Administrator, and Guest Inviter. Users who has assigned with these admin roles can still invite guest users to your Microsoft Entra ID directory. Select Yes for Enable Guest Self-Service Sign-up via user flows if you want to be able to create user flows that let users sign up for apps. You can also control whether external users can remove themselves from your organization. If you set this option to No, users can't leave your organization themselves. They will see a message guiding them to contact your admin to request removal from your organization. By default, all guest users are allowed to remove themselves from your organization. But based on your requirement, you can change that settings from here. If you want that your guest users don't remove themselves from your organization, that time you can select this option to No. Under collaboration restrictions, you can choose whether to allow or deny invitations to the domains you specify and enter specific domain names in the text boxes. By default, Allow invitation to be sent to any domain is selected. Based on your organization requirements, you can change this. Select the radio button, allow invitations only to the specified domains. So whatever target domains you specify here, guest users from only those domains are allowed to collaborate with your Microsoft Entra ID tenant. For multiple domains, enter each domain on a new line. So you have to set up target domains this way. By default, allow invitations to be sent to any domain option is selected. In that case, you can invite B2B guest users from any organization. Since I have selected specified domains option, so I can only invite B2B users from these two domains. These settings are just for an example. Once you have finished, select Save to save the changes. You have to configure these settings as per your company requirement. In this lab, you learn the steps to configure external collaboration settings in Microsoft Entra ID organization. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.